Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on the JMARS 2020 user interface. This tutorial is just a short introduction on what you see when you first open JMARS 2020. When you first open, you'll notice that you already have preloaded layers. On your left-hand side, this is called your Layer Manager, and this is where all your layers are added, deleted, or modified. So if you double-click a layer, you can get a short description on that layer and some key things you might need to know about the layer. You'll notice that the layer I just clicked on is outlined in a blue box. That indicates that that layer is active. So any changes I make will be applied to that particular layer. You can change the ordering of layers by clicking, holding it down, and dragging. You'll notice when I move this Mola map, it's moved to the top, so it's going to be the first thing you see. I can move it back down. You'll notice each layer has a couple of things that are in it. The green box indicates that that layer is fully loaded. The M stands for main and the P stands for panner, which is not currently loaded. But you can turn layers on and off if you don't want to delete them. You can see if I click the Mola map M, I'm going to be turning it off of my main view, so it disappears. I can add it back and it'll come back. The transparency bar is located on the right. You'll see as I drag the bar, that layer fades in and out. At the top of your screen, you'll see a toolbar. Here are a couple of different useful tools available to you. You'll see right now I have the arrow selected, but I can select any of these. The glove, if you select the glove, you can go to your main view, click and drag in the direction you want to go, and you can change the location of your main view. There's also magnifying glasses that'll help you zoom in and out of your main screen, a ruler that will help you measure different things, an investigation tool, and a georeferencing export tool. If you keep on moving down, you'll see that there's a zoom box. This area allows you to change the PPD also, just like the magnifying glass. On your left-hand side, you'll see that this is the location of your main view. If you click in here, you can alter your location. Just press enter, and it'll change the location of your main screen. At the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a longitude and latitude. If you watch those coordinates, they'll change as I move my mouse. So it's actually showing you the location of your cursor. So for the next example, I'm going to zoom in so I can show you the landing site ellipse. So you'll see that my landing site ellipse is selected. If I go back up to my toolbar and I click the arrow, now when I move on to my main view, you'll see a big circle. You can use your scroll bar on your mouse to change the sizes of the circle. If you click your screen, it'll create a circle for you. A few neat things about this layer is if you double click it, you can actually change the colors of the circles and the outlines by using a couple of the key tricks in this description. If you go up to the Help menu tab, you can see here that you can be directed to the homepage of JMARS, some more video tutorials, and if you have a problem, you can actually send us a report of that problem here. Well, that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks, bye.